Want to learn how to permanently delete your Instagram account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice or the Instagram app itself. For that, tap on it. Now, tap on the search or type web address. Enter here instagram.com. This will take you to the official website of the Instagram app itself. You can see that this is my very new account, so I'm just being welcomed to Instagram. But since I want to show you as a demo how to delete your Instagram account, I'll exactly tell you how to do it. So make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on the scale icon on the top left corner. Scroll down, tap on Help Center to this About segment. You're into the official Help Center of the Instagram itself. Now, tap on this How Can We Help option. Insert your particular help that you want to receive. I am just going to insert here delete your account. On the top you can tap it. So you have three of the options. You can see that how do I temporarily disable my Instagram account, how do I delete my Instagram account, and how do I access or review my data on Instagram. Since we are trying to delete our Instagram permanently, I'm going to tap on how do I delete my Instagram account in between. So you can see that when you delete your account, your profile and everything will be just removed. You have an option of temporarily delete your account. But since we want to delete it permanently, I am going to scroll down just like this and then tap on delete your account with this blue text. So if you want to break from Instagram, they're still giving us an option that we can temporarily disable, but since we want to delete it permanently, you can see that why do you want to delete. You can tap on this blank section and choose one of the reason. I'm randomly going to choose one. You can also do the same. And since for permanently deleting your account, now you need to re-enter your password. Tap on this password option and then enter your password just like this. When you're done doing it, scroll down and tap on delete AlexAkhil501. That's my username. And you can see that your profile and account details will be hidden until September 2nd, 2021 and deleted on that date. So they have just given us a time period where we can recover it back again. But since we want to delete it, I'm going to tap on delete. So if you're sure you want to delete your account, tap on OK. So you can see that just by doing it, I have successfully deleted my account and sent my request for it. But still, your account will be deleted on September 2nd, 2021. That means I still have 1 month left to recover it. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.